Ngayong araw na to, I stand here to promise you this. I will love you sa bawat pagsikat ng araw at mahirap na gabi. Magiging kasama kita sa tawa, sa lakas mo kapag mahirap na mga bagay-bagay.
Sa araw na ito, malaya at buo ang aming pasya na piliin ka at mahalin ka. Nangako akong igagalak ka bilang aking asawa at tatratuhin ka na may pang-unawa at malasakit.
I'll cherish more and differences and work alongside para bumuo ng buhay ng pamilya puno ng saya.
It should be desired that both of you establish your vow from this point on as a covenant and not contract. That's why marriage is a sacred institution established by God and one that is meant to last for life.
I'll cherish you more. Our differences work alongside para bumuo ng buhay ng pamilyang puno ng saya.
Sa araw na ito, ipinapangako kong ikaw ang aking asawa, aking kaibigan, at aking kapareha habang tayo magkasamang maglalakbay sa buhay.
Ito na, sobrang saya. Minahal ko ng teenager ako ngayong pa-30 na ako. Siya pa din at mapapangasawa ko na. Nakakailang na nakakaiyak. Yung makeup ko.
Sun in my eyes, navy blue
Daddy,
skies. You are the
18 years na. Nag-antay ako ng matagal hanggang sa napagod na ako magtanong ng magtanong.
just be alone.
Hindi ko akalain na ipopropose ka pa.
To never leave home. I had a
Na magiging Mrs. Bantolin na. Mahal na mahal kita.
I'm not scared.
Happy anniversary.
This is how you fall in love. Let go and I'll hold you up. So pull me tight and close your eyes. Oh my love, side to side.
Mami, andito na tayo. Ilang oras na lang pagiging Mrs. Bantuling ka na. Mahal na mahal kita. Hindi ko madalas sinasabi sa ito araw-araw, bihira, alam mo yan. Pero mahal na mahal kita at ikaw lang habang buhay.
Now that I'm not scared, this is how you fall in love. Let go
You are my heart. You are my favorite enemy. Ay, story pala.
hold me tight
And the reason I believe in forever, I choose you now, palagi at sa anumang paraan. I love you, Daddy.
my love side to side. Oh, my love side to side. Oh, my love side to side. Oh, my love side to side.
This is how you fall in love.
Mr. and Mrs. Richard and Tricia
Let
Bernadette
go and
Bantulen.
hold you
Palapakan po
up.
natin ang bagong kasal.
So pull me tight and close your eyes. side to side.